Welcome to the Nash house. All right, Nash clan. So we came up with a new recipe. That's right. I'm going to call this cream cheese French toast. And the reason why is there is no dipping of the egg in this French toast recipe. Now, I know that French toast recipe is traditionally where you dip it in the egg, but I find it wasteful because I can't do anything with the egg once I'm done. So I use some of this plant-based butter, which is by Country Crock. And I put it in the pan, let it go ahead and melt on out. Rolled out these thick pieces of bread. Like, this bread is like luxurious. Okay, go ahead and put them in a pan, butter them on both sides, and put cinnamon and melt some cream cheese on top. Oh my god, delicious. Now I'm gonna make the sauce that goes on top. I think that this is a blueberry chutney. You let me know in the comments what you think. Or if you have a chef friend, I don't know, tag them and let me know what you think. But I think I made a chutney with this sauce. Oh, look at that flip. So once I make the chutney, oh my God, it smells so good. Decided to go ahead and use my masher to go ahead and kind of push a little bit on the blueberries, but I didn't want to smash them completely. Let's go ahead and plate. Oh my God, it smells so good. So while we're plating, I have some of our staple in this house, some cheese eggs. I made a little flour out of some strawberries, and here's the chutney sauce that is settled. It's still warm. It was on a low heat, and we're just gonna put that right on top of that cream cheese French toast. All right, I gotta show y'all how I like it. Yeah, we're gonna do it right on camera. So I'm gonna cut me a piece. Look at this sauce. This cream cheese French toast with this blueberry chutney, I think, is legit the bees of the knees. Now, you try this recipe and let me know what you think and leave a comment, but I gotta go. Bye.